morning, YouTube supporter team. This video I make for appeal my channel. My channel name is CK Wood 2. On this video, I want to show you how can I make the video. The first of my video, I want to show you the place for I keep the wood. So over here is the place for I keep the wood for turning. So my video content is wood turning. So over here, like I told you, you see here is the wood. So all the wood is very simple wood. We call firewood. Yeah, we are create all wood to the useful, and all video is I made here. I take the video here. Like I told you, the first I show you here is the place for the wood, and then I show you the workshop, yeah, the workplace who I made the video for upload to my channel. Yeah, so right now I walk to there, I go to my workplace. I show you how can I get the video to upload my channel. Yeah, over here is my workshop. Yeah, my workshop who I made the video to upload to my channel. So we have a little bit is noisy because we get the sound from the wood turning. I show you how can I get the video to upload my channel. I don't understand why my channel is reuse content. I hope this time I got the approval for my appeal, because all my video is original. It's not reuse content or unoriginal content. At the back of me is the show place, yeah, showroom, yeah. So all item is I made and I sold there. Yes, the end of this video, I say thank you so much to YouTube supporter team for help me. Yeah, I hope this time I got approved for my channel. You can check all my video in the same place, in the same activity. Yeah, I I I don't upload from another channel to upload to my channel. I hope, yeah, I hope you help me. This time I say thank you so much, and I waiting for approval. You help me to check again. Thank you so much. Thank you. Goodbye.